Hi, my name is Charles Antonio. I'm a naturopath. I'm versatile in multiple modalities in the area. I attended a presentation in regards to the radiation that we're all exposed to. What alerted me to attend this presentation is obviously all of what's been advertised and talked about in the worldwide media. I was impressed with what the GeoVital presentation is, so I decided to do a workshop with them. I found the workshop very informative. It gave me a lot of great depth and understanding of other stresses that could be imposed on individuals, and I found that it's critical for me to know this knowledge so that I can forward that on to my patients, particularly ones that another avenue of which applies another stress to their well-being. And the outcome of this workshop has been quite outstanding. The information was great, the materials provided was excellent, and I would recommend any other practitioner or non-practitioner to attend this. It is something vital for their future well-being in the future, whether it's family, business or any other form.